Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's talk today about how to replace a hard drive in a Reolink NVR. As you can see, I have it here and already removed the screws on the both parts here, so we can open it up and replace the hard drive. Okay, so let me just remove this cover like this. So you need to be careful to remove this because sometimes it's a little bit hard to remove it, but here we go. Just remove it like this. And here you have your hard drive, okay? As you can see, I'm using a Seagate Skyhawk. It's pretty important to use the correct hard drive because this works with CCTV cameras. Don't use a hard drive that works for a computer. They are different. Let's say you're trying to use a Samsung hard drive. They are good, but they're good for computers. So you need to use the correct brand and correct model for your NVR or DVR, okay? I'll leave the link here in the description for Seagate, for Western Digital that works with CCTV. They are surveillance hard drive, correct for this application, okay? So as you can see, I have the hard drive connected and there are some cables like these ones. They're connected to the hard drive and there's one for data and another one for power. So you need to remove the cable like this. Okay, I'm removing the one for data and there's the other one for power. Just like this, and then you have your hard drive here, okay? So to remove it, just need to turn the NVR like this and remove the screws. Here I have 4 of them. They're holding the hard drive in place. So I just need a screwdriver like this one and remove each one of them, okay? So it's pretty simple. See, remove the first one. Here comes the second, the third one. And of course, when I remove the fourth one, the hard drive is gonna drop. So let me just put my hand here to hold it. There we go. Remove the last one. And now I turn it to this position again. And here we go. I have the hard drive, okay? This one is a Seagate Skyhawk. Again, I'll leave the link here in the description. This one is 2 terabytes. If you want to use a hard drive with higher capacity, you need to check with the manufacturer if it works. You can go online and check what hard drives are supported, right? But usually you can go higher than 2 terabytes, for example, okay? So it's pretty simple, works like this. And remember, you just need to get your new hard drive, put it here in place like this. The same way I removed is the opposite way you're gonna do to put it back, right? You just need to put it here, align here. First, it's a good idea to connect the cables, okay? Because later, sometimes you don't have a good space to connect the cable again. So you can connect the cable first and put the screws later, or the opposite. The way you think is better for you, right? I usually do this. I usually connect the cables like this. So the first one comes here. It's not that hard because you have just one direction to connect the cable. So there's no way to make it wrong. Okay, I connect the way and then I turn it and I look for the correct position here for the screws. So I find the position for the screws and I start putting them in place like this, okay? You can use your hands directly here or you can use a screwdriver to start screwing them. Here we go. And then you keep doing this and put all of them in place. Okay, fast forward so I don't waste your time. I have all of them here and I just tie them up and you're ready to go. Okay, one by one. Tighten them up and we're good to go with your hard drive in place, okay? Then you just get your cables, put them in place. You can use a tie wrap to tie them in place like this and just come back and put back the cover here. There we go, a little hard. and it goes like this. Then you put the screws back in place, so pretty easy. After that, you just turn it on and format your hard drive, okay? I have another video showing how to format the hard drive, but it's pretty simple. You just go to the menu, look for the storage, and format your hard drive, okay? Pretty simple, all right? So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments. See you in the next one.